The Midea WHS-109FW1 Upright Freezer offers a compact 3 cubic feet interior that comfortably handles extra frozen food for a small household, office, or dorm kitchen. Its adjustable thermostat gives you a wide temperature range, so you can fine-tune cooling for everything from long-term meat storage to ice cream that stays scoopable. The freezer cools quickly and maintains steady temperatures, helped by an efficient compressor that is designed to keep energy use relatively low over the course of a year. Noise levels are pleasantly modest, making it easy to tuck this unit into open-plan living spaces or work areas without an annoying background hum. Thoughtful touches like a reversible door and leveling legs make placement flexible, whether you are sliding it under a counter, into a basement corner, or beside a main refrigerator. Inside, the combination of fixed shelving and a wire basket keeps items organized and easy to reach, so you are not constantly digging for what you need.